New tonight, two major redevelopment projects in Grand Haven are moving forward after approval from City Council this week. Each of them would transform the city's waterfront in hopes that it attracts more people and business. Fox 17's Marisa Oberly is live in the newsroom to explain the impact. Marisa?
Yeah, Ryan, the Beyond the Pier and the diesel plant plans still require a few more months of work, but if both pass, they would be one of the largest redevelopment projects within Grand Haven in more than a decade. Looking to grow.
So we really need to stay current and acknowledge that things are changing.
And build for the future.
I think we're looking to get that next level of investment, that new vitality and energy, and particularly it's going to appeal to a younger demographic that we want to attract to our town.
The city of Grand Haven believes its goals could soon be achieved.
There's been sort of a lull. There hasn't been a lot of new buildings, and now we've got a lot of interest.
This week, council members took the next steps with two major redevelopment projects, approving the Beyond the Pier waterfront master plan and issuing requests for its development, hoping an investor could turn Chinook Pier into a new year-round space that includes shopping and dining options in a multi-use market along the river.
It's going to include all the elements you love. Very low-cost family entertainment, farmers market, some retail, some restaurant flavor, but just something a little different that'll pop and please people in a different way than what used to be there.
Officials also proceeded with preparation of a buy-sell agreement, selecting a proposal which would refurbish the old diesel plant into a restaurant and office space with an attached 300-person event center. That plan edging out two others.
We think it's going to really be something that is recognized across Michigan as a true landmark and a true cool place to go.
With millions of people walking by both properties each year, the city believes they could connect the town further, bringing new people and new business.
It's a matter of finding that balance and really listening to people and being patient.
Now, in terms of when people could start enjoying those plans, the city manager hopes the diesel plant project is in the hands of private developers by this Thanksgiving, with the building open to the public in 2023. The Chinook Pier project would take a bit longer, but open shortly after. Now, anyone interested in commenting on either of those plans can visit fox17online.com for a link to do so. Reporting live in the newsroom, Marisa Oberly, Fox 17 News.